Most people using a smartphone in Burkina Faso never think about where it comes from. The phone is already in their hands, already working, already part of daily life. But behind every device, there is a process, a place, and people working quietly to make it happen. In Ouagadougou, Burkina Faso, there is a company called Horizon Industries. It is one of a few places in West Africa where phones, tablets, and computers are assembled locally. While most electronic use in Africa are imported, Horizon is trying to do something different, bringing part of that production closer to home. Located in the industrial zone of the company operates from a modern facility where young technicians and workers assemble electronic devices step by step. From the outside, it may look like an ordinary factory, but inside, the process tells a bigger story. The journey of a phone at Horizon starts with components arriving from different parts of the world: screens, batteries, processor, motherboard, camera, all carefully packed and delivered to the facility. Once inside, the material are sorted and distributed across different workstations. At each workstation, technicians handle specific tasks. Some install the internal component, others fix the screen, while another team installs software and tests the device. The process is carefully and methodical. Every step matters and every device is checked before moving forward.
And by the way guys, I have a goal before the end of the year. I'm hoping to hit 10,000 subscribers, so I really appreciate if you guys can hit the subscribe button and like the video.
So you have the employees. I need to mention that more than 70% are female. Every technician have a role from the beginning to the end of the line.
Okay.
She's doing here.
Ici, ce sont ces choses. Elle montre ça.
Yeah. You have like the mother card of what we call the PCBA of the phone.
Okay.
Yeah. And then as soon as this is ready, she have to settle
into
PCBA,
this casing.
Into this case. That's where the front case.
Okay.
Yeah. So the first thing is putting like the motherboard, like for the computer, you have the motherboard. She will put that
into this
case.
Okay.
Yeah. You got it?
Wow.
That's the front case. Okay. That's what
she's doing here.
Yeah.
One of the most striking things inside the factory is the people. Many of the workers are young Burkinabe, trained to handle technology and assembly. For many of them, this is more than just a job. It's an opportunity to gain technical skill and be part of a growing industry in their own country.
Yeah. You have the connector. That's going to be connected with the charge circuit, to the PCB, to the mother card in the phone. So, yeah, this is the other step.
Bonjour.
Girls, can you see this?
What we call the NAP. Yeah. That is the connector. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Ça c'est l'antenne Wi-Fi.
Okay, and then you put like the Wi-Fi antenna. Okay.
Okay.
And then after that, you put it in the automatically. The camera.
C'est les caméras. The camera.
Yeah. You have the camera that we have
Arrière et puis frontal.
Yeah. The rear camera and the front camera. She is in charge of putting the camera, the rear and the front camera. For your selfie and then for taking the photo. So when we finish this part, we need to make sure that everything is working before we continue.
Yeah.
We will need. So this guy will put the battery and then test. Yeah. He will test and make sure if it's not good. So we have just to put it that way. Look at this. The charging is not good.
Ooh.
The charging part is not good.
Yes.
So we have to notify that the charging part. Sometimes it can be the tones, can be some.
Horizon does not only assemble smartphones. The company also work on tablets, laptops, and other electronic equipment. The goal is simple: make technology more accessible and gradually build local capacity. The factory itself is designed for growth, with structured workspace and organized assembly line. Production can scale as demand increases. As more devices are produced, more jobs are created, and more skills are developed locally. Beyond manufacturing, Horizon also focuses on training. By working directly with technology, technicians gain hand-on experience. Over time, this helps create a workforce that understands not just how to use technology, but how to build and maintain it. This kind of initiative can influence more than just the technology sector. Local production helps reduce reliance on imports and encourage innovation. It also opens new opportunities for young people interested in engineering, electronics, and digital technology. Visitors who walk through the factory often notice the quiet concentration Workers focused on their tasks, devices moving through different stages, and team coordinating to ensure quality. It is not loud or dramatic, but it is steady progress. Horizon also aims to support education and businesses by providing affordable devices. Access to technology plays a key role in learning, communication, and entrepreneurship. By assembling devices locally, the company hopes to make that access easier. As demand for technology continues to grow, initiatives like Horizon become more important. Countries that develop local production gain more control over their technological future.
Yeah, we have, it's the lab here. Yeah. And then we have to check, the raw material when it's come. Yeah. We have to check the quality with this equipment before we go into production. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So you can sometimes you can verify the temperature to make sure that it's something that can support the temperature, because we have high temperature here, so we have to check here in Burkina. So we take a sample of them, because we cannot check all of the. We take a sample, and then we use this equipment to test, to make sure that they are good before producing them. Yeah.
All right.
So you have anything. Yeah, and then checking the screen, checking the keypad, checking everything. Because we receive raw material, we buy the raw material and then we assemble. As any company in the world, even if you take HP, it's the same process, because we have the raw material and then we have, regarding our conception, we produce the equipment. Got it? Yeah. To make sure what is going wrong, and then if there is a piece, something that's going wrong, we have to replace them and then make sure that it's working.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like we detect the problem before the spread on the production. Mm-hmm. At the first problem, we stop and then we make sure where is the problem before we produce some products that are not good.
Okay.
So that.
All right.
Yeah. I will say all the pieces. Yeah. We take the pieces, the processor that have done by Intel group, and the other pieces that are done by other group, and then we mix them together, regarding our conception, our own conception, and then we assemble our own product. So the product is 100% in the business also. Oh. The state is financing, bank of the government, bank of the Burkina Faso are financing this business. So we are some plan to extend.
Okay.
So we have electronic appliances, but soonly what we're gonna extend with home appliance like fridges, air conditioning, air conditioners, this kind of thing. We're gonna extend to this kind of product. So we are really now, feeling that the support of government is helping this company to grow.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I think that the trajectory is taking.
The trajectory is
a fast one.
Interesting.
With the support of I know if you come next year, I'm sure that it will be different.
The journey is still evolving, like any growing industry. There are challenges, competition, logistics, and scaling production, but each device example represents progress, and each trained technician represents potential. Inside Horizon industry, technology is not just something imported and consumed. It is something being built, tested, and improved locally. And quietly in Ouagadougou, a new chapter in Burkina Faso's technological story continues to take shape.
My name is Florence. I'm the responsible of quality in Horizon Industry.
Okay.
Voilà. We produce many types computers and smartphone.
Okay.
Okay. We have this one, who is I3.
I3.
Voilà. Oh. Computer I3.
Okay.
Okay. Intel Core I3.
Oh, Core i3.
Core i3.
Yes, I understand.
Okay.
Core i3, yes.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Oh, nice.
Okay.
Okay.
We have
Another one. It's okay.
Voilà.
Take it now. Finish.
core if 7.
Oh, core i7.
Core i7.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Okay. We have 2 types of smartphone.
Yeah.
This one is the Hope White. We have 2 colors.
Uh-huh. It's called Hope.
Hope White.
Yeah. The one?
Another one is Star One.
Okay.
We have 2 types of color.
Yeah.
We have color white and black.
Of both of them.
Yes.
This one is blue.
This is blue.
Okay.
It has color black.
Okay.
This one is white.
Yeah.
We have the color black.
So-
we have also we have also this kind of phone. This is a feature phone.
Uh-huh.
But we have ordering that doesn't come yet.
Yeah.
In order to because it flies very quickly.
Oh,
Because
it sells out quickly.
this flies.
How is it called?
We call it like iCell.
Yeah.
That's the first one, and
Yeah.
we have the HB and the HC. We have two models of that.
Yeah.
HB and HC.
So-
we go for between from 8,000 to
10,000. Star.
The Star one right now is around, as I told you, is around 50,000.
50.
CFA.
15.
Yeah.
Okay.
50.
50,000.
50,000 CFA.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.